Oh, I forgot to take my glasses off. No. No. Oh, I'm making a mess. Hello everyone, I'm Zoe. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm so excited because we're going to be reviewing the Overtone Complete System in rose gold for brown hair. First off, this video is not sponsored. I do not have any affiliation with Overtone and all of the opinions expressed are my own. So even though I'm always trying to be gentle with my hair to help it grow, I love dyeing it. I love trying out new hair colors, so this is why I wanted to try a color and conditioner. I've been looking at these rose brown hair colors for a while now, and I think they'll be perfect for fall. So hopefully we can achieve something like that today. So this is what my hair looks like naturally. It's a medium brown and a little bit lighter at the ends. It is quite dark, so I'm not expecting any drastic results. Now the products. Overtone says that its conditioners are vegan, cruelty-free, suitable for all hair types, and are free from sulfates, parabens, ammonia, peroxide, heavy alcohols, or anything that will dry out or damage your hair. The complete system consists of 2 different products, which I will be reviewing separately, starting with the color and conditioner. The color and conditioner is bright peachy pink and has a thick, almost waxy texture. It has a really nice smell like spearmint and rosemary. The instructions say to apply the product on dry hair, so I've just shampooed my hair and let it air dry. Now I'm going to section my hair to help get an even application. Now that it's all sectioned, I'm just going to put some Vaseline around my hairline to help stop the staining. Alright, now to apply the product, I'm going to wear gloves because I don't want my hands to get all stained. Alright, so it's all on here. I'm going to set a timer for 15 minutes. Now, I had a lot of difficulty putting this in my hair. The formula is just a little bit too thick. I couldn't spread it very well, but hopefully I've done it evenly. They suggest combing it through to help get more even application, but I was having a really tough time doing that as well. So I just massaged it all in there and completely soaked it. I only used about half of the container, which is good. I can do this again. And we'll see how it turns out. The instructions say to rinse your hair in hot water, so I'm going to leave this on for about 15 minutes and then rinse it out. So my hair is still wet, I just finished rinsing it out, but I wanted to say that it was super easy to rinse out. It felt really nice and it smelled really good while I was doing it, didn't take overly long. It did stain my scalp just a tiny bit, but I'm sure that'll go away after the first wash. It's already looking pretty pink and purpley, but I'm going to dry it off and I will be right back. I'm back! My hair is dry and it turned out pretty much exactly like I wanted it to. I'm really happy with the results. I know it's looking a little bit bright on the camera, but it is more subtle in person. It's like a warm brown with a peachy pink coating. So I'll put up some pictures of what the color looks like. This is my hair in indoor lighting and also in sunlight. My hair smells really good. It is super shiny and super soft. I was really worried that this product would weigh my hair down because it is very fine, but I'm not having any problems with that. overall, I'm very pleased with the coloring conditioner. I thought it worked really well. My hair is super soft and super shiny and it smells excellent. I'll check back in with you in a few days and we'll try out the daily conditioner. Alright, I am back. It's been a few days since I used the coloring conditioner and I have to say I love it more and more. It's almost like the color changes depending on the lighting. But I'm feeling a little bit greasy right now, so it's time to wash my hair and then try out the daily conditioner. The daily conditioner is bubblegum pink and has the texture of your average conditioner. I think this one smells even better than the coloring conditioner. It's like spearmint candies. Because I'm using the daily conditioner to maintain my color, I'm going to show you the application just the first time and then continue to use it as my regular conditioner for a couple weeks. The directions say, using gloves, apply Overtone evenly on wet hair whenever you need to condition. For even brighter color, apply on dry hair. Wait 3 to 5 minutes or longer, up to you. Rinse completely, cold water not required. So what I'm going to do is go wash my hair and then come back here and we'll apply the conditioner. Alright, so my hair is washed and I towel dried it. It is still quite damp though. And I have to say, while I was washing it out, the water ran very pink. But looking at my hair, it doesn't seem to be visibly faded right now. So I'm putting on gloves and I'm going to be applying the daily conditioner on my damp hair. And then next week, I think I'm going to try it on dry hair. Okay, so I think I've completely covered my hair. This was much easier to spread around than the coloring conditioner. Actually, it smells really good. I'm gonna leave this on for about 10 minutes and then I will see you back here in a couple weeks. It'll only be a few seconds for you, but a couple weeks with all the final results and my final thoughts. Okay, I'm back. And what I did was each time I washed and dried my hair, I then took a picture of the exact same part of my hair with controlled lighting standing in the exact same spot to compare the color results. And then I took notes. Here's a photo of the original color right after dyeing, before washing, for reference. So after the first wash and application that you just saw, I dried it off and it looked like the color was a little bit less vibrant, but it wasn't a big difference. My hair was also very shiny and soft and it smelled really good. It also didn't weigh down my hair at all either. The second time washing my hair, there was still a lot of color runoff in the water and I applied it on wet hair again. But this time after drying it, it was visibly faded. And at this point, I wasn't sure if the daily conditioner was actually depositing any color or not. So, after the third time I washed my hair, I allowed it to air dry before applying the product. So applying the daily conditioner on dry hair rather than wet hair was a little bit harder, but still easier than the coloring conditioner. I also used a lot more product though. So this time I left it on for like 45 minutes, and because I used more product, it took me a long time to rinse it out. The results were good. I think it brought the color back to how it looked just after the first wash, but at this point I had already used over half of the daily conditioner. So the fourth wash, I did the exact same thing. I washed my hair, allowed it to air dry, applied the daily conditioner all over, and then left it in for this time about an hour. So after drying my hair, it looked exactly like it did before this wash. So it appears that the daily conditioner does work for me, just only on dry hair and using a lot of product. So at this point I only had a little bit of the daily conditioner left, so I decided to stop using it and see how the color faded using regular conditioner and shampoo. So I've washed my hair 3 times now without the daily conditioner, and it's almost back to my natural color. Some parts are still holding on to the warmth a little bit, and in certain lights you can see a slight tint of pink. It does look really pretty, but I can't see this lasting through another wash. So I ordered this product online. It took about a week to get here after it shipped. I also used a 10% discount code. So after shipping and taxes, the total cost was $75.53 Canadian. First I want to say I think this product would be absolutely perfect for somebody who has bleached hair or dry hair, or even someone who just wants to try out a color without committing to it first. I loved the conditioners. They made my hair look and feel amazing and also smell amazing. The minty smell stays for days. The color was very pretty, very shiny, very dimensional, and it looked really pretty as it faded as well. But I had a difficult time with the application of the color and conditioner and making sure that I got even distribution. So as a color maintenance system, I was left wanting just a little bit more. My color was only vibrant up until the first wash, and even though I left these products on longer than instructed, I think it would have worked better if I left them on even longer. Now, although these products were never supposed to be permanent, I just wish I got a little bit more wear from each application, from each product. And for these reasons, I think the price was a little bit high, although I do intend to use the rest of my product and try more of their products in the future. Let's keep in mind that this video only tests one coloring system on one type of hair, and your results could be really different. Now to wrap it all up, thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to let me know. And if you want more, you can follow me on Instagram @anorthodoll. Subscribe to my channel by clicking here, or watch another video by clicking over here.